Hey guys, look, I have a Rubik cube. So I'm going to be solving it today. So first up is the daisy. So right now I'm gonna make the daisy. And I have these two. Now I need two more. I have the daisy. So please like and subscribe. And I have the first layer. See, now we need to work on the second layer. So now I have the second layer. It's all done. Now we need to work on the top layer. This step was pretty easy. Now we just need to combine these two. Okay, if I want. Okay, now I found two connecting. I'm going to go on to the one opposite side and try to connect all of them. I had to switch colors. Wait. All of the corners were matched. Now we're gonna flip it over, and this is the last step. Cube is solved. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and please ring that little bell. And I'm going to get my PS5, so please watch that video. It's gonna be coming soon. Bye.